Hello guys, I have a real Yale this time. Is a really old padlock with the old logo, just a super pin tumbler lock, hardened steel shackle. Other side is right. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right. The Yale and Town manufacture company, so quite old. I have the key, impression key. It works pretty smooth. It's locked. So the trial key from the last video doesn't work on this lock. Don't want. So real years don't work. So I will use top of the keyway, but with the bottom of the keyway tension wrench. Just that, place that right there. Now I will use moderate tension and this pick, the deep one. This lock has 5 pins and they are all mushrooms, I think. Oh, turn it up a little bit. I will just move the camera a little bit because it is kind of in my way. So we'll start over. Oh, false set. So now I use my short look and I will set those mushroom pins. So the lock tilt like a really deep false set, but don't do the mistake I did the last time. I just think that it was not picked and I try looking for a bang there all over. You just need to force it a little bit more, maybe with something more sturdy like a top of the keyway. Here we go. Now the lock is open. So this is the heck of a lock, hard to pick, 5 mushrooms, tight tolerance. It's a good lock. Nothing to see with the crappy one, not even a Yale from the last video, but these padlocks are hard to pick. So, still eagle.